Every adversity, every failure, every heartache carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. Napoleon Hill, author. Within each challenge lies the potential for a significant positive outcome. Adversity is not just an obstacle but an opportunity. Realizing this potential requires a perspective that seeks growth from every difficulty. The gem cannot be polished without friction, nor man perfected without trials. Confucius, philosopher. Challenges and hardships are necessary for personal development and refinement. Like a gem, a person's true strength and beauty emerge through the process of overcoming adversity. Trials, though difficult, are essential to achieving excellence. It's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up. Vince Lombardi, football coach. Resilience is not about avoiding failure but about the ability to recover. The true test of character is in one's response to setbacks. Rising after a fall is more important than never falling. A setback is never a bad experience, just another one of life's lessons. Richard Branson, entrepreneur. Setbacks should be viewed as educational, not detrimental. Each difficulty teaches a valuable lesson that contributes to one's life wisdom. Embracing setbacks as learning opportunities fosters resilience and growth. Only those who dare to fail greatly can ever achieve greatly. Robert F. Kennedy, politician. Significant achievements require the risk of significant failures. Greatness is born from daring to venture beyond the comfort zone. Embracing the possibility of failure is essential for achieving exceptional success. Failure is the condiment that gives success its flavor. Truman Capote, author. Failure adds depth and appreciation to the taste of success. Without the contrast provided by failure, success might feel less satisfying. Embracing setbacks enriches the eventual victories. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill, Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. Neither success nor failure is definitive. The true measure of success is the perseverance to keep moving forward. Courage in the face of setbacks defines long-term achievement. What does not destroy me makes me stronger. Friedrich Nietzsche, philosopher. Enduring challenges without being overcome by them builds resilience and strength. Each survived trial contributes to a tougher, more capable self. Strength is often forged in the fires of adversity. I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Thomas Edison, inventor. Each failure is a step towards finding the right solution. A positive outlook on setbacks reframes them as necessary steps in the discovery process. Persistence in the face of repeated failures leads to innovation. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Albert Einstein, theoretical physicist. Challenges are often the breeding ground for new opportunities. Adversity forces innovation and adaptation, which can open new paths. Looking for opportunities in times of difficulty can lead to unexpected success. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Henry Ford, industrialist. Each failure provides the chance to start over with the insight gained from previous attempts. Setbacks are learning experiences that can lead to greater success in subsequent efforts. Starting anew with enhanced knowledge is a powerful advantage. When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Viktor E. Frankl, psychiatrist. When external circumstances are unchangeable, The real opportunity lies in altering our own perceptions and responses. Personal growth often requires adapting oneself to overcome external limitations. Self-transformation can be the key to navigating through seemingly insurmountable challenges. Sometimes by losing a battle you find a new way to win the war. Donald Trump, former U.S. President. Temporary setbacks can provide crucial lessons that lead to ultimate victory. Each loss can reveal weaknesses to be addressed and strengths to be enhanced. Strategic retreats can pave the way for future successes. There is no innovation and creativity without failure. Period. Brené Brown, researcher. Creativity and innovation inherently involve risks that may not always pay off. Failure is a natural and necessary part of the creative process. Embracing this reality encourages risk-taking, which is essential for breakthroughs. Every strike brings me closer to the next home run. Babe Ruth, professional baseball player. Failures are merely steps towards eventual success. Like a batter in baseball, each miss clarifies the adjustments needed for future success. Persistence in the face of failure increases the likelihood of achieving spectacular results. The master has failed more times than the beginner has even tried. Stephen McCraney, artist. Mastery is achieved through repeated attempts and numerous failures. Beginners should be encouraged by the fact that seasoned professionals have endured many setbacks. The key to mastery lies not in avoiding failure, but in embracing and learning from it. Difficulties mastered are opportunities won. Winston Churchill, Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. Conquering challenges directly leads to new opportunities. Mastering difficulties can open doors that would remain closed otherwise. Every challenge overcome is a victory that leads to further possibilities. Failure is so important. We speak about success all the time. But it is the ability to resist or use failure that often leads to greater success. J.K. Rowling, author. The discussion of success should include the crucial role of failure. The resilience to use failure as a tool rather than a deterrent is often what propels individuals to achieve greater heights. Learning to leverage setbacks can catalyze profound success. Failure is the key to success. Each mistake teaches us something. Morihei Ueshiba, martial artist. Failure should not be feared but embraced as a powerful learning tool. Every mistake made is a lesson that paves the way to success. Emphasizing learning from failures builds resilience and knowledge. Sometimes adversity is what you need to face in order to become successful. Zig Ziglar, author and motivational speaker. Challenges and adversities can act as catalysts for achieving success. Facing hardships head-on can strengthen character and sharpen focus. Overcoming adversity often leads directly to personal and professional growth. There are no failures, just experiences and your reactions to them. Tom Krause, motivational speaker. Labeling experiences as failures is less productive than viewing them as opportunities for growth. How one reacts to and learns from these experiences defines their path forward. Adopting a constructive attitude towards setbacks transforms them into stepping stones. It is fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. Bill Gates, business magnate. While celebrating achievements is important, learning from failures is crucial for sustained success. Failures offer invaluable insights that success cannot teach. Heeding these lessons ensures continuous improvement and innovation. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Henry Ford, industrialist. Adversity can be a powerful force that propels one forward. Like an airplane, sometimes it's necessary to face challenges head-on to ascend. Using resistance as an advantage can lead to unexpected success. Do not judge me by my successes, judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. Nelson Mandela, former President of South Africa. Resilience is characterized by the ability to recover and rise from setbacks. True strength is demonstrated in the capacity to continue despite failures. Mandela emphasizes valuing perseverance as a measure of success. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Albert Einstein, theoretical physicist. Avoiding mistakes means avoiding new experiences and learning opportunities. Innovation requires risk-taking and often results in errors. Embracing mistakes as a natural part of trying new things fosters creativity and learning. No human ever became interesting by not failing. The more you fail and recover and improve, the better you are as a person. Chris Hardwick, comedian and TV host. Failure makes a person more interesting and relatable. Recovering and improving from setbacks enhances personal development. Embracing failures as growth opportunities enriches one's character and life story. I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times, I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed. Michael Jordan, professional basketball player. Repeated failures did not deter Jordan, they propelled him toward his successes. Each missed opportunity provided a learning experience that refined his skills and mental toughness. Success is often built on a foundation of numerous failures. The only thing that overcomes hard luck is hard work. Harry Golden, writer. Luck, whether good or bad, can be overshadowed by diligent effort. Hard work provides a reliable path through adversity. Persistent effort transforms setbacks into achievements. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Confucius, philosopher. Glory and honor lie in resilience and the ability to overcome difficulties. The act of rising after a fall is more commendable than never experiencing failure. Each recovery from a setback demonstrates strength and determination. Show me a person who has never made a mistake and I'll show you someone who has never achieved much. Joan Collins, actress. Making mistakes is intrinsic to achieving significant outcomes. People who fear mistakes often avoid taking the risks necessary for high achievement. Embracing the potential for errors as part of the path to success is vital for substantial accomplishments. The phoenix must burn to emerge. Janet Fitch, author. Like the mythical phoenix, renewal and rebirth often require destruction or burning away of the old. Enduring and overcoming severe challenges can lead to profound personal transformation. Setbacks, thus, are not just obstacles but necessary for growth. Every adversity, every failure, and every heartache carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. Napoleon Hill, self-help author. Setbacks are not merely obstacles but opportunities that hold the potential for valuable gains. The perspective one adopts in response to adversity determines their ability to derive benefit. Looking for the inherent benefits in challenging situations can turn setbacks into advantages. When we give ourselves permission to fail, we, at the same time, give ourselves permission to excel. Eloise Ristad, musician. Allowing oneself to fail eliminates the fear that stifles innovation and performance. Accepting the possibility of failure opens up the opportunity to achieve excellence. Creating an environment where mistakes are acceptable is key to unlocking potential. What seems to us as bitter trials are often blessings in disguise. Oscar Wilde, playwright. The challenges and hardships we face often turn out to be disguised blessings. What initially appears detrimental can lead to unexpected benefits. A broader perspective can reveal the hidden advantages of difficult situations. Most great people have attained their greatest success just one step beyond their greatest failure. Napoleon Hill, self-help author. Success often follows closely on the heels of failure. The determination to persist beyond a major setback often leads to the greatest achievements. Understanding that failure can be a precursor to success is crucial for maintaining motivation. Success consists of going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. Winston Churchill, former Prime Minister of the UK. True success is maintaining determination and enthusiasm through consecutive setbacks. The ability to stay motivated, despite frequent failures, is a hallmark of resilience. Churchill emphasizes that the spirit with which one faces failures is key to ultimate success. My great concern is not whether you have failed, but whether you are content with your failure. Abraham Lincoln, 16th President of the USA. The key concern is not failure itself, but the complacency that can follow it. Being content with failure is a true defeat. Lincoln stresses the importance of discontent with failure as a driver for ambition and improvement. The real test is not whether you avoid this failure, because you won't. It's whether you let it harden or shame you into inaction, or whether you learn from it, whether you choose to persevere. Barack Obama, former U.S. President. Failure is inevitable, but the reaction to failure is what truly defines a person. Obama stresses the importance of learning from setbacks and continuing to move forward. The choice to persevere, despite failure, is a key to long-term success. Happy Setback!